What is going on, everybody? Today we got a new knife in-house, and it is from Extrema Ratio. This is the BF2 CT Stonewashed. Alright, let's get to it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of any new content coming out, because Lord knows, YouTube probably won't share it anyway. So, let's get to it. This is a pretty interesting knife. It's made in Italy. So, there we go. I do believe the handle, is aluminum. It's pretty nice. It's liner lock. And it's actually stepped out. It actually has this nice step out right there where you can easily get right to the liner lock. Not drop shotty at all, so but it will flip out pretty good, even Spidey flick. It now is this. Their knives are known for this, having this lock on the back, which locks that liner, so that liner can't not go. It won't go anywhere at all. It holds it right on that blade. So there you go on that one. It's a pretty rugged little piece of metal, and it's pretty well jimped right there. You can see it. So you flip it there, and it's not going anywhere. It feels pretty good in the hand. It's got a nice smooth contouredness to it, where it feels really good in the hand. Got that interesting Tanto, very aggressive Tanto edge right there, with your nice flat main belly, with this nice swept down, drop pointy kind of upper part. Pretty simple, basic kind of knife, but it's a very rugged knife too at the same time. Pocket clip is switchable, so it can go either side that you want, and it is obviously tip up carry, which is good. There's a lot of different variations of these knives, of their knives, and pretty much every kind of configuration that you can think of. There's your lineup is pretty good. It looks weird because there's only your liner lock on this side makes it look like it's closer, which it is, but it makes it look like it's out of line, but it's really not out of line at all. It's just that extra. There's so much extra on one side, so it makes it look like it's out of line, but it's really not. It's really right, pretty much dead center. So that's, it's a very unique knife. One side, it's very thin, got your aluminum scale, and then your other side, you've got your liner lock, and then you've got the lock for your liner. So there's kind of a lot going on. I just thought it was a pretty interesting knife to take a look at. And you got to be careful with buying these, because I've noticed a lot of these on a lot of different, even on Amazon. I've seen some of their different knives that are on Amazon for like $400. I paid $180 shipped all the way from Italy for this knife. So there's no reason, straight from them. And it was quick and easy to purchase. So there's no reason for anybody to spend any, $300 to $400 for a lot of these knives. This is the semi-bigger version. There's only one version, I think, that's a little bit bigger than this. It doesn't have a size on it, does it? No. Actually, it doesn't really come with any information. Oh, yeah, I guess it kind of does have a... way down inside there, it does actually have a lot number and a 2020. This is probably just warnings of do not cut yourself and all that. So okay, yeah. So anyway, yeah, be careful. There's a lot of them, a lot of different aspects of this knife out there, that are quite expensive actually. But there's no reason to spend that kind of money. I just keep you guys aware of that when you're looking for these knives. There's a few places, I think. Yeah, I don't remember who actually Mountain Knives or something like that carries a bunch, or from time to time carries some. But just check out their website. That's probably the safest thing to do. I actually ordered, yeah, right here, the Recon 1 from Canada, which I actually ordered like 3 days before I ordered this one, and the Recon 1 only beat it from Italy in 1 day. So literally, and the knife from Italy almost beat the knife from Canada. So you would think the Canada knife would be here a little bit quicker to Ohio than the knife coming from Italy. So it came DHL and it came fast. So check out their website if you guys are interested. And that's it for today, guys. Make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more Tanto knives in the future. Have a great day. Bye.